Today we're gonna make 3 of my favorite high-protein pancake recipes. All of these contain about 30 grams of protein per serving, so they are a very filling and delicious breakfast idea. And you can also meal prep these and just reheat them in the morning. We're gonna start by making my most popular pancakes, which are my Greek yogurt pancakes. So we need half a cup of high-protein Greek yogurt and 2 eggs. And 1 teaspoon of maple syrup for sweetness, and half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And then we mix the wet ingredients together. Next, we add the dry ingredients. We need 1/3 cup of flour. I'm using all-purpose gluten-free flour, but if you're not celiac, intolerant to gluten, or IBS sufferer, you can of course use wheat flour in these pancakes. And lastly, we add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And then we stir. The ready batter should look like this. Now we're gonna cook the pancakes for a few minutes on each side. I'm using a non-stick pan, so I don't need to add any butter or oil. But if you're not using a non-stick pan, you might need to add some butter or oil. When bubbles are starting to form, it's time to flip the pancakes. I get a lot of questions about this pan, and this pan is actually from IKEA, but it's been really good. And it only costs around 30 euros, if I remember correctly. I like to top these pancakes with vanilla quark. And fresh berries. These pancakes contain between 25 and 29 grams of protein per serving, depending on which high-protein Greek yogurt you use. You can serve these pancakes with some maple syrup if you like. These pancakes are so fluffy and delicious. Next, we're gonna make my high-protein chocolate banana pancakes. For 1 serving, we need 1 banana. Then we mash the banana. The riper the banana is that you're using, the sweeter the pancakes will be. Next, we're gonna add 2 eggs. And then we mix the eggs and the mashed banana together. Then we add the dry ingredients. We need 1/4 cup of chocolate protein powder, or if you don't have protein powder, you can replace it with flour. Then we need 1 tablespoon of unsweetened cacao powder, and then you just stir. So you only need 4 ingredients to make these pancakes. The ready batter should look like this. We're gonna cook these pancakes for a few minutes per side. When bubbles are starting to form, we're gonna flip the pancakes carefully. These pancakes I also like to top with a little bit of vanilla quark and fresh berries. These pancakes contain about 35 grams of protein per serving. I melted 1 piece of 80% dark chocolate, so I'm gonna add this on top. These pancakes are soft and chocolatey, and they're naturally sweet because of the banana. Lastly, we're gonna make my high protein oatmeal pancakes. For this recipe, we need a blender. First, we're gonna add half a cup of high protein cottage cheese. If you're not the biggest fan of cottage cheese, don't worry, you can't even taste it in the ready pancakes. Then we need 2 eggs. Then we need 1 teaspoon of maple syrup and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and half a cup of oats. These pancakes are kind of like more fun way to eat your morning oatmeal. And lastly, we need 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And then we just blend until smooth. Top these pancakes also with vanilla quark and fresh berries. These pancakes contain about 30 grams of protein and they're so yummy. I like to serve these with some maple syrup. These oatmeal pancakes are super soft and yummy. Let me know in the comments which one of these recipes you're gonna try out first. I'll add the written recipes to the description box as always. For more healthy and easy recipes, check out my recipe ebooks that have 265 recipes. All of my most popular recipes are included, as well as many exclusive recipes. I'll add the link down below. See you guys next week. Bye!